guys. All right. Let's us see where center is right now. Oh, almost Brazil. Wow. And center has so far delivered more than 5 billion pieces of gifts, Christmas gifts to people or kids worldwide. Wow. All right. Well, Santa is coming to town. Okay, next let's look at where we are supposed to go. Hey, hello guys. How is everyone doing? This is Christmas Eve and today is December 24th, 2025. It has been such an amazing year and I'm wishing everyone is doing wonderfully in these holiday seasons. And look at me, I am pretending to be a deer, even though I'm not. And let's see what we have for today. We will talk about, of course, SoFi, SoMerry. This is Neil. Welcome to Star Invest, everyone. So today we will talk about SoFi major news and new offerings through SoFi membership in this video. We will also talk about what are the 3 main operational divisions of SoFi, since I have noticed in other YouTube channels, a lot of people are new to investing, and when it comes to SoFi, they are not very versed in what SoFi is all about as a standalone financial institution or as a platform for other fintech and financial institutions and legacy financial institutions as well. Also, we will talk about how SoFi is actually becoming the backbone of future finance. So, first thing is, here are the following major points that we will be going through. First is, what is SoFi? What are its major revenue channels? They have lending segment, they have financial segment, they have fintech platform segment, which we will discuss. And secondly, SoFi, they have recently announced a new all-in-one smart card. We will talk about what this card is all about, especially the 5% reward program, right? Okay. Then the third thing we will talk about is SoFi's Plus membership and what are the perks if you have that Plus membership. It is the same as Prime membership with Amazon. You have some perks to go with that membership. It is the same as Costco membership or executive membership, and it had some perks that go along with that membership as well, right? So the same thing can be said for SoFi Plus membership. We will discuss. And then the last thing we will talk about is the crypto services, the new crypto trading services as a platform, and also stable coins and global remittance as a platform for SoFi. Okay, so let's dive right in. First thing first, we are talking about SoFi major revenue channels. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So first, we have the lending segment of SoFi. The lending segment remains the largest revenue source and exhibit strong growth driven by record loan originations across all categories. Total lending revenue GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle, net revenue of $493.4 million, an increase of 25% year over year. Total loan origination reached a record 9.9 billion in Q3 2025, up 51% year over year. Personal loans originations reached an all-time high of 7.5 billion, a primary driver of the growth. Student loans originations increased by 58% to 1.5 billion, benefiting from new features like step-up repayment options. All right, hey guys, actually, that deer horns, they are kind of clipping my head too tight, so I have to remove it first. Okay, let's move on. Home loans set a new record with nearly 945 million in originations, including a record in home equity loans. And secondly, financial service segment. Remember, SoFi has three major segments, so we are just done with lending segment, and then financial service segment. This segment shows the most dramatic revenue relative growth and is central to SoFi's diversification strategy, leveraging the SoFi Bank charter and cross-selling capabilities. Total financial service revenue, net revenue of 419.6 million, a significant increase of 76% years over year, which is amazing. And product growth, total financial service products reached 16.1 million, a 37% year over year increase. So the service product is like a checking account, credit card, debit card, SoFi Travel, whatever product that is under the name of SoFi within one-stop shop theme. SoFi Money, checking and savings grew to 6.3 million products, which with deposits reaching nearly 33 billion. So SoFi is growing its membership, growing the membership's deposit. Such as my cash deposit in SoFi account will be their deposit growth. Growth in deposits has helped lower SoFi cost of funds because SoFi has a bank charter, and whatever our fund is deposited into SoFi's accounts, SoFi can use those funds to lend out to other businesses, individuals, students, for whatever purposes they need to do in their life, right? And then this is very low cost because SoFi does not have to borrow from another bank. Versus, for example, if Robinhood, let's say Robinhood say they will be partnering with a bank, but that is a partner. Robinhood will not be owning their own chartered bank license. So Robinhood cannot just come up with new products and then update the Robinhood app and let their members use the new products. No, Robinhood cannot do that. Robinhood has to talk to their partnered bank to see if they can have an agreement to have that new product first. And if their technologies can match each other to carry out that product's development, right? So versus SoFi is vertically integrated with their bank charters. So SoFi can do whatever they want as long as it is allowed within the United States bank chartered territories. All right, so this is the difference between SoFi versus Robinhood and versus Chime or other financial institutions. And as a matter of fact, Robinhood and Chime are both SoFi's technologies client. They are both clients of SoFi's tech platform, I should say, which we will discuss next. So let's go back here. SoFi Money checking and savings, we just discussed. SoFi credit cards product count increased by 48% year over year. Crazy. SoFi is getting into credit cards, trying to disrupt credit cards, also with debit cards, with their new smart card of SoFi, which we will also discuss in this video. Interchange fees from card and money products saw a healthy 55% increase year over year. It's crazy. Crypto services. SoFi is accelerating innovation in crypto with plans to relaunch. Well, actually, they have already relaunched. So this is my 2 months before all this. I was trying to do a video of SoFi, but then became very busy with work, with family. I have a toothache, and then have to have a clown for that tooth. So yeah, so a lot of things went on. And okay, now let's get back to where we were. With plans to relaunch, have already launched direct in-app crypto trading for multiple tokens in late 2025, which has already happened. It also announced plan for a SoFi USD stable coin for 2026, which we will discuss next. Stablecoin is the stablecoin as a service for other financial institutions as well, not just for us to to invest or to put in our account and collect gas fees. International remittance, which is huge. SoFi has launched a new service for international money transfers using blockchain technologies, initially focusing on transfers to Mexico with plans to expand to more countries, including Hong Kong, Germany, other East Asian countries as well. So yeah, excuse me. SoFi Cash. Next, so financial services, right? They have all these financial services, and of course, SoFi Money include checking and savings, which is money is also cash, right? So SoFi Cash refers to the money in your SoFi checking and saving account, a digital cash management account, CMA, that functions like a bank account, but offer much higher interest APY on savings. For example, I have the SoFi Plus membership. I have 4.3% APR or APY. So you don't need to buy a CD like you would with Bank of America, let's say, or with any other legacy banks. You don't need a CD, meaning you can withdraw your money at any time, but you can still enjoy the 4.3 APR or APY. So that is the main difference, which add a lot of flexibility as an individual like me or like you, right? So our money don't have to be tied to an account for 6 months or 1 year in order to get 5% or 4% or 3.5%, right? No. You put in your saving accounts with SoFi, you get 4.3% APR or APY, and you can withdraw your money at any time you like or any time you need, right? Which is very good. So this is how SoFi has a competitive advantage compared to other financial institutions immediately. No monthly fees as well. My checking account with SoFi has no monthly fees whatsoever. No late fees whatsoever. I have the SoFi Plus membership. And with my previous Bank of America account, they charged me $25 per month for my checking account, no matter what. Even if you have $50,000 in the account, they still want to charge you. Because why? They are very inefficient. They have a century-old legacy banking system, which still have about 20 to 25% relying on human inputs into computerized systems. and humans checking each other's work. So you are in the loan department, you have a branch where a customer walk inside a branch and ask for a loan. That branch has to communicate with the loan department and see if a loan specialist will be available for a specific day to meet with their clients on the branch. And you have to set up the appointment. With SoFi, use the app or go online, log in your account, done in 5 minutes after you are typing. Of course, depending on how fast you type. For me, maybe 2 minutes. I'm not that fast, but quite fast. But some people may need only 5 minutes, even if they type slowly, right? And you don't have to wait for long. Last time I applied for my personal loan, I got the result within 45 seconds in the SoFi app. Very fast. Try it with the bank. I know banks are trying to go faster these days. Maybe small amount personal loan will be fast, but then if it's a big amount for business loan or mortgages, you still have to wait for a week or two. They have to talk to each other. They have to send your information to another department. They have to go through manual double check of each other's work. SoFi no. SoFi use AI to double check everything and to keep track of progress of everything, including your loan applications. Right? So, okay, let's move on. And then we have bill pay, P2P payments such as salary and access via a debit card with 55,000 no fee ATM. So you can withdraw your money at any ATMs. For me, I don't go to any particular ATMs. I use my SoFi debit card or the smart card that they have to go to any grocery store. And at the end of the transaction, before you make the final payment in your grocery markets, they ask you if you want to withdraw cash. You type yes, you tap yes. And then, for example, I just want $50, I type $50. Then you get $50 bills, depending on the upper limit, the maximum limit of the grocery market that you visit, right? But if you go to those ATM, I think you can get up to maybe $2,000 for each visit. Then I have to actually double check, or you can go to the SoFi app or the account and see for yourself also. But I remember it was 2,000, yeah, if I'm not wrong, yeah. I have only looked at it once. I don't even like to touch money. I like to use Apple Pay nowadays. I don't even carry money with me, honestly. If you visit China, everything you go to, everything you buy, you don't even need to use app. You don't pick out your phone and tap the app. No, it's so old age. It's like last decade old technology. In China, they use either your thumb or your face or your palm. They sense your face, your thumb or your palm. 1 second or half a second, beep, you hear the beep, done. You make the payment. Use your palm, use your face, use your thumb, whichever technology they have in China. You don't carry cash. It's so odd. If you carry cash, they know you are a foreigner. While we are in America, we are supposed to be more advanced. Okay, offer through SoFi Bank, provide FDIC insurance. Okay, for any SoFi members, I think only for Plus members, your deposits are FDIC insured up to 2 million USD. Yes, if you're a Plus member, for sure, your deposit, no matter it is in crypto, no matter if it is on within the saving and checking accounts, all your money included in your SoFi account are all insured by FDIC up to 2 million USD. Okay? Other banks, I remember it was $250,000, which is so low. This alone will make a lot of high flyers, wealthy people move their funds to SoFi, right? Don't you think so? Maybe you don't feel it because you don't have that much money, but if you have that much money, you will feel it. For me, I really love it because I have more than 250,000 in my bank. Yeah. I mean, with my age, I'm actually considering myself to be undercapitalized. With my age, let's say if you are 20, you should have roughly 20,000 in your bank account anytime. If you are 30, you should have 100,000 USD in your bank account at any time. I'm not talking about any other, if you have crypto, if you own second home, if you own other cars that you can sell and convert to cash. No, I'm talking about strictly cash, right? Or any money or fund in your account which you can withdraw and use right away. If you are 40, you should have at least 250,000. If you are 50, you should have at least 500,000 actually. Right? So we have to actually set a goal for ourselves. If we don't push ourselves, nobody push us. Nobody push me. Nobody say I have to achieve this and achieve that. But I don't push myself, I don't achieve nothing in my life, right? And I mean, even when I look at other people, I know there's no point in comparison with other people, with comparing with other people. There's no point as long as we are trying our best in our life regarding our own situation, right? That is unique to our life, right? But compared to other people, still, I think I'm undercapitalized, okay? So I won't, of course, I won't tell how much I exactly have, and people don't tell, and I'm not wealthy. I do not consider myself wealthy, and I try to save even more, and I'm very appreciative. I have a job. I'm very appreciative that my boss sometimes would say they appreciate our work. I'm very appreciative of the fact that I am serving the needs of the people who live in the city. I mean, we are all here to help each other. So even if we are thinking about our own future, we still want to do our best to help ourselves and help other people, right? Yeah, so I'm not talking about utopia. I'm not talking about I'm better than other people when it comes to thinking or mentality. But I just hope people don't just think of themselves. Yes, we do hope our financial best for ourselves and for our families, but we also try to help other people wherever we can. Thank you. Okay, let's go back. With SoFi Plus membership, which we will talk about at the end of this video, you earn higher APRs, which we have talked about actually, for your saving accounts and vaults. What is vaults? Vaults is within your saving account. This is a special purposed mini account within your saving accounts. What are those special purpose? For example, you want to save for the next 12 months to pay for your next year's personal tax. Then you can set up a vault, special vaults that say personal income tax for 2026 or 2027. Then you will direct in your app, you put directly every recurring transfer from your regular saving accounts to this vault, special vault, mini saving account with specific purpose. Then you save maybe $50 automatically every month. Then every month, once you get the paycheck, it will, for example, you get 2 paychecks per month. Each paycheck, you will deduct $25 automatically and transfer it to your vault like that. And you earn the highest APR too if you are a Plus member. So if you're a Plus member of SoFi, you get 4.3% with your money inside the vaults as well. Okay, so it is very special, mini special purpose accounts. So if you want to save fund for your next vacation, you can set up a vault too, right? So, and earn 4.3% APR if you are SoFi Plus members. Great. As of December 23rd, 2025, it is at 4.3 APR. See, we just discussed. So this is all up to date. So together with the 5% cashback grocery with SoFi Smart Card, remember, we will be talking about SoFi Smart Card next, but then now we can talk about the first thing is with the Plus membership, you can apply for SoFi Smart Card. If you have this SoFi Smart Card, you enjoy actually not up to 5% of cashback if you buy groceries. So you have 4.3% APR for the money you put in the saving and the vaults. So that return is 4.3 already, right? APR. Plus this 5% cashback if you buy grocery with the SoFi Smart Card. What is the total return for you? 4.3% plus 5% is 9.3%. Wow. People who buy bonds only hope for 4 to 5% APR. And now with the SoFi Plus membership and SoFi Smart Card, you are earning 9.3% of return. If you buy grocery with the SoFi Smart Card, and if you put your money in the saving account or vault, that enjoys 4.3% APR. You see the magic? Don't tell people, otherwise people will be flocking to SoFi and opening account right away. Don't tell people, don't tell too much. Because I actually want SoFi stock price to be kind of staying under 30 so I can buy more before it goes up, before it joins S&P 500 next year. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, why not, right? Buy more shares first before it goes up. Don't let SoFi go to S&P 500 yet. Don't let people know SoFi that much yet. Oh man, I want to keep it quiet. Your total rewards could be as high as 9.3% APR, if not higher. See, we just talked about it. If you use both SoFi Plus membership and SoFi Smart Card together. Third, so we are still talking about SoFi 3 pillars of revenue. Remember the first pillar was their lending segment. Second pillar, financial service segment. Third pillar is technology platform. If you remember, or if you are new to SoFi, SoFi acquired Galileo, Galileo, tech platform in 2021. They want to integrate the Galileo platform into the whole SoFi ecosystem for not just you and me as regular members, but also for financial institutional clients such as Chime and Robinhood, and also as well as other hotel chains such as Wyndham Hotels, and also other travel industries, other companies in the travel industries as well. Total, the technology platform segment, which includes Galileo and Technisys, provides core banking infrastructure to SoFi and other fintech clients, which we just talked about with clients such as Chime, Wyndham Hotel, and Robinhood. Total tech platform revenue was 114.6 million, up only 12% year over year. But in 2026, with Wyndham Hotel alone, the reward card with SoFi and Wyndham Hotel, and other 9 more huge clients, it is expected to grow, I would say, at least 25%, at least, okay? Which will be quite healthy, actually. I think actually it should be much more than that, but I'm always on the conservative side of things. And then enabled accounts, total enabled client accounts decreased slightly, but it was because some other clients left, but actually they are signing back onto SoFi, and will be adding onto SoFi list of clients in 2026. So this I don't even worry about. Growth drivers. Revenue growth despite the account dip was driven by deeper engagement with existing clients, and new strategic partnerships, including a major airline, Southwest Airlines. See, there are more huge clients coming on board. Trust me, in 2026, SoFi is in active talk with, I would say, 50 different huge companies now. And they can land deals anytime, and SoFi doesn't like to announce them actually. You have to find them out. Yeah, SoFi is very tight-lipped about this. Amazing. It's an amazing company. It's not like other company CEO. I'm not talking about beginning with the E and ending with an N, Elon. I'm not talking about that person. Oops, I just did. Okay, including a major airline Southwest for a reward debit card programs. Overall, SoFi is successfully diversifying its revenue streams with fee-based revenue from the financial service and tech platform segments, reaching a record 43% of adjusted net revenue in Q3 2025. So fee-based. The beauty of fee-based revenue is less risk, more stabilization, more stable growth, and you can serve and scale your service and serve a bigger pool of clients in any future times. So, all right, and then talking about SoFi FinTech platform, you see, even Chime and Robinhood also are customer of SoFi's FinTech platform with Galileo. It is becoming the backbone of FinTech transactions. Also later, we will discuss the crypto service of SoFi as a financial infrastructure play, as well as more and more legacy banks, financial institutions, and FinTech companies use SoFi crypto platform for cheaper, faster, and safer worldwide transactions. Even now, MasterCard is partnering with SoFi. And Amazon's AWS is partnering with SoFi for worldwide transactions within the Amazon AWS platform. And how SoFi stablecoin, and we will talk about how SoFi's stablecoin can enable all this to happen in a big way. Okay, so let me have a sip of water right now. My throat is kind of dry. Thank you. Be right back, guys. It's exciting. So for now, let's discuss our next topic, which is what are our existing benefits of a SoFi smart card? How it is revolutionary. The SoFi smart card offers an all-in-one financial tool for SoFi Plus members, combining debit and credit card features with major benefits such as 5% cashback on groceries, high saving APY around 4.3% for every 6 months, dynamic credit limits tied to savings, credit building without hard pulls, zero fraud liability, and access to Silly, bill pay, ATM access, and premium financial planning, aiming to keep spending, rewards, and savings integrated within the SoFi ecosystem. Key benefits: high rewards. Earn unlimited 5% cashback at points on grocery purchases, excluding superstores such as Walmart and Target. Well, Walmart and Target have their own cars, so they're not gonna likely to partner with SoFi for sure, because they already have their own. Unless it could be in the future if Walmart or Target seems likely that if their operation become ineffective or inefficient, then they may want a more efficient way to do the same thing. Then they may choose to partner with SoFi. Wow, the raindrops are huge. Cats and dogs from the sky. Whew. I can see the balcony. It's crazy. Ooh, haha. Can you hear the raindrops? Oh wow. Just don't have thunders, lighting. Yeah, because I don't like those loud sounds. High yield savings get up to 4.3% APY. Ooh. On your linked SoFi saving balance for the first 6 months. First 6 months only. It seems like they have changed again. So what I said earlier, maximum 9.3% combined with 5% cashback on grocery purchases. So I'm not sure if that will hold now. So seems like something has changed. Okay, I will have to read into that again. But credit building helps improve your credit score through responsible on-time payments with hard credit check to apply. Oh, back to that 4.3% APY on your linked account. If it is first 6 months, then what about the next 6 months? Is it higher or lower? So yeah, I have to go into, dig deeper on that. All-in-one convenience blends debit spending, credit-like rewards, and savings in one card. Spending control, credit limit dynamically adjusted with your linked tracking savings balances, which is great because you don't even have to worry about you running out of credit, right? Yeah, it automatically limits with how much you have in the checking and saving accounts with SoFi. MasterCard Productions. So this is in partnership with MasterCard. So includes $0 fraud liability and standard MasterCard benefits. Fee-free access to over 55,000 ATMs, financial tools integrated with Sally, bill pay, money transfer, and mobile check deposits. Oh my god, I have to close some blinds. Be right back, guys. Alright, guys. So I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's heavy rain. Wow, rain season. Okay, financial. Okay, guys. I'm back. Sorry about that. Rain season, and wow, it's raining very heavily. All right, so let's go back to where we were. Fee-free access. So no fee need. You don't have to pay any fee and have access to over 55,000 ATMs in this nation. Okay, USA. Financial tools integrated with Sally, bill pay, money transfer, and mobile check deposit exclusive to SoFi Plus. So you have to have SoFi Plus first, and then you can apply for this smart card of SoFi. So, and we will talk about how SoFi Plus goes. Okay. Requires a $10 per month SoFi Plus subscription for full benefits. Okay, $10 per month. Yes, you have to pay first in order to get some benefits from the smart card. But the benefit go far beyond just the smart card of SoFi. It includes even more perks, such as if you have the Costco membership or executive membership, you have more perks than what you pay for annually, right? So you get more in return compared to what you pay for your membership, right? Such as the same Prime membership of Amazon. So each year you pay 100 something plus minus, or plus actually, for Amazon Prime membership, and then in return you get back more than that amount of membership fee you pay annually, right? You may buy something big item a few times and you already get over $500 back, right? Before the year ends.
It's time for bed.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Not yet. Tonight I have a special SoFi SoMerry video to do. But very thank you. Alexa, thank you. Okay, let's get back. So how it works, it functions as a charge card secured by your SoFi checking and savings accounts, offering credit-like rewards, 5% of groceries unlimited while leveraging on your own funds, all managed within the SoFi app. So the next thing is, what is the criteria to get the SoFi smart card, right? You absolutely need a SoFi checking and saving account first, and then pay a SoFi Plus membership fee of $10 per month or $120 per year to get the SoFi smart card, and then the card is benefit include with that premium membership requiring you to pay for the service to unlock its massive rewards, including unlimited 5% back at grocery stores. Here is the breakdown. SoFi Plus is key. The smart card isn't standalone product. It's powered by SoFi Plus, their premium membership, $10 monthly fee. You pay $10 every 30 days for the Plus membership to get access to the card and other benefits. Checking and saving required. You also need an active SoFi checking and saving account, as your balances help determine your spending limit on the smart card. Eligibility, you must apply and be approved, meeting SoFi's criteria for income and ability to pay. I don't think anybody, as long as they have a SoFi account for a few months at least, and they have a stable job, and you have direct deposit, and SoFi can check your direct deposit is very stable, always coming in every month or every 2 weeks. I don't think anyone should run into problem. Of course, they have to say that, just in case if some people accidentally or suddenly lose their jobs and they don't have income, then of course those people may not be immediately qualified for the SoFi smart card, right? So they have to put these costs in the writing in black and white, so that they are protected from being sued by some people. So not everybody who wants one will get one, right? Yeah, so in short, the SoFi smart card is exclusive to SoFi Plus members, so the $10 month fee is a prerequisite for access. So the next topic is, what is SoFi Plus membership and what are the perks, right? So this is what we really want to know, right? SoFi Plus is a premium membership for SoFi customers, offering enhanced financial perks like high savings APY or APRs, boost credit card rewards, exclusive event access such as Rams tickets, or future SoFi Stadium tickets when the 2028 Olympics arrive, right? And unlimited financial planning, valued at over $1,000 annually. See, this alone is already over $1,000 annually. Financial planning is serious stuff. If you have two multi-million-dollar accounts, and if you have investment, you have heirs, you have your sons, daughters, wives, husband, what have you. It's a lot of financial planning, and also how to make sure you get the most tax benefits and avoid the most amount of tax to pay, right? So this, if you hire a CPA accountant, you're gonna pay some high fees. I have worked for CPA accountants before. We charge high fees for that. Wherever it involved with money, we have clients with multinational branches for their businesses, and they themselves, their own income themselves is like 2-3 millions per year, easy, not including non-monetary compensation, traveling, eating, nice cars, rentals or leases, all those things, yard. So not including those. We have clients, we help them save at least 600,000 USD in annual taxation, in annual tax. So if we charge only 10% or 15% of those $600,000 tax saved, or $1.5 million saved. We charge 10%, 15% of that saving, right? And that is a lot of money. So you pay $10 per month, you can enjoy this kind of financial planning already, which is big deal, which is great deal actually. Key benefits of SoFi Plus: high APR, credit card rewards boost, SoFi Invest match. So this we haven't talked about actually. We have talked about the others. Receive a 1% match on recurring deposits into your invest account. So each month, I actually put recurring deposits or recurring transfer from my regular saving accounts into my SoFi Invest account. Every month, few thousands or few hundreds. And SoFi match 1% of that. For example, 500 automatic deposit to be deposit, recurring deposits 500, then they match 1% is $5. So just like that, as an example. Financial planning, unlimited one-on-one sessions with financial planners. See, unlimited. Loan discounts. So a 1,000 closing credit or SoFi home loans and exclusive rates on student loan refinancing. So for people who frequently buy and sell homes, or even if you are about to buy a home, because SoFi also has a lot of young professionals as their members, so these will benefit those people a lot. So I can imagine a lot of people would really jump on paying $10 per month for the Plus membership. VIP access to sports, concerts, and other events at SoFi Stadium, which I want to have, is also VIP access to Disney World or Disneyland of California. Why? Because you want to have early access into the park and then just ride your favorite adventure first, right? Well, we will see. When SoFi get better or get bigger in the future, of course, they will have more leverage to do that, to do partnership like that. But we will see. SoFi, but of course, a lot of people don't even think about Disneyland. This is just me. So SoFi Smart Card access to new all-in-one card. Okay, good. How to get it? Pay a $10 subscription fee every 30 days. We discussed about that. Not discuss about. Wrong grammar. Receive complimentary access by setting up eligible direct deposits or qualifying deposits. It may no longer be the case actually. Last time I heard is they dropped this one. No more eligible direct deposits. Even me, I have to pay the $10 subscription fee every month. So the next topic is SoFi's crypto platform. Exciting. They have just launched it for this month. And it's SoFi stablecoins as a service. This is huge, okay? The crypto platform help global remittance, help us, help members like you and I buy and sell cryptos, invest in cryptos, but also help institutional clients to buy and sell cryptos. And also, SoFi will have their own stable coins named USD next year in 2026. SoFi's first stable coin will be named USD. It could be used as a white label for other financial institutions who want to build their own stable coins while leveraging SoFi's crypto platform and infrastructure and its technologies. Okay, so SoFi is becoming an infrastructure platform for other financial companies such as banks, financial institutions, primarily through its white label stablecoin services offered via its Galileo technology platform. By leveraging its national bank charter, SoFi provides a regulated, secured framework for others to adopt blockchain-based financial solutions. which are cheaper, faster, and safer. Why the legacy bank cannot do it all by themselves? Because their legacy system was designed 100 years ago. Some of their system, part of their systems, is still relying on human inputs, manual inputs, and manually double check each other's work. Takes time, prone to error, and not cost saving. As long as some jobs that involve humans, human can have error. Sometimes they are sick, they need to call sick, and you have to pay human payroll to them, and you have to provide a physical location such as a branch for them or offices for them to do their work, versus SoFi just use AI. Which one do you think is more reliable, faster, cheaper? Okay, and then key ways SoFi is acting as an infrastructure provider. Stablecoins as a service. Ta-da! SaaS. SoFi has launched its own full reserved stablecoin, SoFi USD, which is issued by its OCC regulate national bank charter, SoFi Bank. Through its Galileo platform, SoFi offers a stablecoin as a service model, allowing other fintechs, banks, and enterprises to first issue white label stablecoins. It's a platform. You know what type of business model I love? Platform business model and software plus AI. And also crypto. SoFi has all these four. SoFi has all these four business models. Amazing. Partners can issue their own brand stablecoins that are interoperable with SoFi USD and operate under SoFi's regulatory, operational, and reserve framework. Integrate SoFi USD for settlement. Financial institutions can integrate SoFi USD into their existing settlement flows and payment systems to enable faster, cheaper, and more transparent money movement. Leveraging its bank charter as a nationally chartered bank, SoFi can hold stablecoin reserves in cash at a Federal Reserve account, which eliminates liquidity and credit risks, which is huge. Would people rely on Robinhood to do the same? No. Robinhood is not a chartered bank, has no bank charter. And it's not as reliable, not as cheap, not as easily integrated or seamless, if you will. So this provides a high level of safety and regulatory compliance that is highly attractive to traditional financial institutions looking to enter the crypto space. See? Who might be hesitant to build their own infrastructure from scratch or deal with complex regulations. Can Robinhood do this? No, we just talked about it. Due to Robinhood, the law does not have a bank charter of their own. Enhanced operational efficiency. SoFi's infrastructure enables 24/7 near-instant settlement. Why is it near-instant? Because if you talking about, let's say, international remittance, the information we input in USA has to go through the long cable under the sea, on the seabed, and then get transmitted thousands of miles across the ocean to the other nations on the other part of the world, of the same globe, right? It takes time, so almost instant, not instantly. Then you can remit your money at the other end, okay? So that is what it means. near-instant settlement for transactions on public blockchains at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. This operational efficiency is a major draw for institutions looking to modernize their payments and settlement processes. Integrated technology platform Galileo, SoFi's acquisition of the Galileo technology platform allows it to provide back-end infrastructure services to fintechs and other companies, which now includes these crypto and stablecoin capabilities. This positions SoFi as a technology platform partner, not just a consumer-facing bank. Huge. This is huge. Whenever something is a platform, it means it is easily scalable. Just like how iPhone is a platform for different apps, it doesn't just allow one app, it allows hundreds, thousands, millions of apps to be on the iPhone screens. It is a platform. It provides an infrastructure for companies to do business on iPhone. And each of us can do whatever we want seamlessly with just one device, which is the iPhone. How SoFi is disrupting is a category disruptor who disrupts the entire banking and finance industry. How Amazon disrupts everything in commerce. How Apple disrupt everything also in mobile commerce. Crazy. These companies are all crazy. They are all disruptors. In the essence, SoFi is democratizing access to digital asset infrastructure, allowing their financial players to benefit from blockchain technology without the heavy lift of building proprietary compliance systems. So it shortened the time for other financial institutions to have their products on the market as well. So then why would other institutions, why would other financial institutions or any other companies who want to do something with blockchain and cryptos or reward programs to have their own internal department to do it? Because it's time consuming. And when your product is almost out, the trend could have shifted already. Right? Consumer trends always is shifting. So why spend time when you can leverage on SoFi's big data and infrastructure as a platform play? Right? Make sense? Yeah, so I look at hundreds of different business models. I love SoFi. SoFi is one of the best. As an example of how SoFi fintech infrastructures can power co-brand cards of other companies in future, SoFi partners with Wyndham Rewards for a co-brand debit card, letting members earn points on everyday spending and use Expedia Group for its broader SoFi travel portal. Yeah, SoFi has been going to travel to, because think about it, it is just natural. SoFi targets the higher end consumer segment, people with higher income, higher FICO score. We love to travel, right? We love to travel. And when we travel, if our SoFi app can, or the smart card can keep track of our spending, everything, and by the time we do our tax, how much we want to deduct this thing, deduct that thing, it just comes seamlessly in one app, which is SoFi, and it's SoFi Smart Card, which is wonderful. So it's just natural that SoFi goes into the travel segment as well, right? Even better than Costco, because Costco with their Costco travel, you only get discounts on your bookings. But SoFi, you not just get your discounts on your booking. Whatever you spend, you want to categorize your spending easily during your travel, then the SoFi app and SoFi Smart Card can do it. And that's why, as a Plus member of SoFi, you get also financial planner for free, remember? And those financial planner can help you save tax, right? So this is so great for especially business owner who are also SoFi members, right? Not just you and I, but everybody benefits. Offering discounts across many hotel chains such as Hyatt, Hilton, IHG, so on and so forth, through Expedia's platform, but Wyndham is the specific hotel chain tied to the unique debit card product. Key hotel partnerships and products. Wyndham Rewards. This is the primary hotel brand for a specific SoFi debit card. The Wyndham Rewards debit card powered by SoFi Galileo platform. Expedia Group powers the SoFi travel portal, giving SoFi members access to booking services for numerous hotel chains and earning rewards on those bookings. In essence, if you are looking for the hotel chain directly tied to SoFi issued reward card, a debit card, and now smart card, it is Wyndham for now only. But in the future, there will be even more, much more. Remember Southwest Airline, right? We talk about. So it will be even more in the future. How about cruise ships, right? Or Disney packages. Oh, I always mention Disney, my gosh. I miss Mickey. Do you guys miss Mickey? Oh man, last time I had picture with him was in Hong Kong, Disneyland. Oh, I miss that, my god. Okay, for general travel booking discounts across many brands, it is through Expedia. Alright, so we have discussed everything. Oh, by the way, today we have a great news for UliPath. Take a simple PATH, Path. The whole company name is UliPath, UIPATH. They are joining S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index. Congratulations, UliPath, congratulations. My gosh, we of course own shares of that company, but not a lot, but I'm so happy. I own shares of Palantir last year, AppLovin, and Robinhood, all from last year. And all these three companies have joined S&P 500. And SoFi will be next year. I'm so sure. The only company I kind of missed the boat is Carvana. Carvana has just joined S&P 500. And they deserve it. Their growth is phenomenal. In 2022, the share price was $4 per share. Actually, it was $3.98 per share, but $4. And now it's over $400. So 100x in just 3 years' time. What happened? In 2022, remember the interest rate went up like crazy? And even Tesla shares crashed. So what happened? Not enough people are buying their cars used. And then because high interest rates, loans are huge. And then when they purchase their inventories, when Carvana purchased the inventory, they had to compete with Zipcars.com or other several used car, national used car dealers. To compete with them, they have to get bid higher prices. For example, I remember I have a BMW X3, which was supposed to be worth around $29,000, but Carvana gave me $37,000, and another Zipcars.com or something offered me $38,000. So of course I sold at $38,000, right? Because they are competing for my car. It's crazy. It's so crazy. But after they pay high prices for the used cars, what happened? People start to stop buying used car, and then they have huge inventory in their lot, sitting in their lot, and the banker was saying, "Oh my God, your inventory are not going. We are not gonna give you another loan. we're not gonna help you refinance, let you go bankrupt. And that's what happened. Almost. Their stock price went from 200, I forgot exactly, maybe 200 down to $4, maybe 100 plus down to $4 per share. And then the bank say, hey, rather than losing everything, if they go bankrupt, how about, okay, I extend your long term and let you pay for longer term but at higher interest rate. And then the rest is history. Once they did that, the market stabilized, and in 2023, the Federal Reserve Bank were talking about, we are seeing in 2024 we may be starting to lower interest rate, and car loans become cheaper. People start to buy car again. Yeah, and now they're doing great again. But anyway, I have been doing well with other companies, and I believe SoFi will be one of them as well. And once again, congratulations to UniPath, and don't forget, SoFi will have a very high likelihood to be invited into S&P 500 next year. I'm not saying it will do positively on the share prices, as we all know what happened to other companies such as UniPath. Their share price just went up like 17% in the last 2 trading days. So of course it will have positive effect if SoFi will be invited to join S&P 500, because lots of worldwide companies, financial companies, investing companies, they mimic the S&P 500 index. It is said to be a elite group of companies. So we shall see. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Love you all. Have a wonderful holiday seasons. See you guys most likely next year if I cannot make any other new video. But with all my heart, thank you. Thank you for allowing me to have this channel. Wonderful. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Alphabet. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Be safe, stay healthy and happy and resourceful. And see you guys next year with big smile all together. Salute.